channel, and today we're going to be turning our whole basement into a movie theater.
Yes, you heard it right. We're turning our basement into a movie theater. We're just going to use whatever we find in the house, and hopefully it'll look nice, blah, blah, blah. So, let's get to it. Okay, guys, so what should we start off with?
Snacks!
Camera! Action!
Snacks! Snacks! I'm gonna go and pull a snack.
Okay,
Okay, I see, but I'll make
you
it.
just chugged down some mac and cheese and had a bucket of cotton candy. Do you really need snacks?
Yes, we do. Mom got an extra bucket of cotton candy.
No, not yet. What are you going to fill that up? Some goat milk?
I don't know.
Go
if
to
I
the
should
goats
do-
out yard. Here, let's quickly bring these out to the goats. Fill
Okay.
it up with goat milk.
You go get more snacks, Echo.
We're gonna fill this up with
There's
goat
fruit
milk.
roll.
So this is the goat, guys. So basically what you wanna do, you wanna open up this tube.
Stick
And
its
then you're just
behind
gonna
in
wanna just rip its tail a little bit to make it a little nervous. And then it's gonna start just pouring that goat milk. So here it goes. Put it on the pipe. Rub it around on the pipe. Oh, look at that. I can, oh man, this thing's getting heavy.
Oh man!
Okay, I think that's enough goat milk. So that was actually really mean. I'm
This
sorry.
is such a cute cat. I mean,
Okay,
a goat.
Anyway, now that we got the goat milk, you need to test it out so that the customers at the theater, you know, don't. You know? So we gotta test it out.
Oh no.
We got the snack area. We got the 2 rows, and we got the TV. Okay, this is kind of close to the TV, isn't it? Oh, you can see off the reflection. So cool. And how are you supposed to see here in the second row? What? There's gonna be like this big tall dude in front of you just sitting there, and you won't see a thing. All you're gonna be seeing is his neck hair. You know? See? Exactly. Oh, she's short. But if she was taller, all I'd be seeing. See? Exactly. This hardly looks like a movie theater, but whatever, it's fine, I guess. Hello!
Hi.
We would like to come to the movie theater. Which movies are happening today?
Let's see. I don't know.
Can you ask the person down there which movies are playing today?
Okay.
These workers are wackos.
At least I have Pussy Willows.
Oh, yeah.
What movie is that one? Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol's on. That's your favorite movie.
No.
Oh.
I like
Okay,
the
well, we'll take 2 tickets.
You have to wait 200 times.
We don't have that time. Let's break in.
Please just give us tickets.
Yeah. Or else we're gonna call the cops on you.
Fine. 2 tickets? Or
Yes,
3?
2 tickets.
2. You have a kitty in there. No. Oh, that will be 2 more. That will be 2 more. Yes, I know. That will be 4 tickets.
Okay, there's the money. Let's go.
No, wait.
What?
Wait. Here's your ticket.
Thank you.
Wait.
Yes.
Fine, I'll leave my kittens here.
You had kittens in there?
Yeah.
Oh my! Okay, let's go.
I see a little gum in there.
Okay, let's
Not
go.
be allowed.
No, I don't have gum in my mouth. Please, I can go in.
Come on. Come on, I'm allowed to go in.
Hey, I'll give you a little popsicle after.
Bye. Okay.
Whoa, the movie theater.
I said I need to have popcorn.
We don't have popcorn here.
I want popcorn too!
Oh, can you hold your plate like this, please? That's an animal sanctuary.
Oh, yeah.
What? You thought this was a movie theater?
Ah! There's a unicorn too!
Oh, it's working
Yeah,
out.
and a fish too.
There's a fish? This is like an animal movie theater. This is an absolute mess. Let's leave!
No.
Okay, we won't leave. Okay, anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. We made a movie theater. It wasn't the most epicest thing, but at least it was a little fun to make. So, thanks for watching. Peace out. You say bye.
Bye.